We have breaking news tonight. AI has just replaced 100,000 jobs in customer service, and sources say this is only the beginning.
Across the globe, companies are turning to AI to cut costs and boost efficiency. In the last 6 months, automated AI agents have answered more than 1 billion support calls. That's 100,000 fewer human jobs. From call centers to live chat, the switch is happening fast. AI never sleeps. It responds instantly, never asks for a break, and learns with every interaction. While businesses celebrate efficiency, millions now face an uncertain future. Experts warn, this is just wave one. Customer service is only the beginning. The question isn't whether AI will take over jobs, but how fast. Are we prepared for this shift? Or are we already too late? This was Future Flash. Subscribe for more updates from the edge of tomorrow.